Bonjour, mis amis. Welcome to French Country Love. My name is Mercy, and today I have for you a thrift haul from Bargain Hunters and Community Thrift Store. It's only a few things. I combined them because I want you to enjoy this haul, okay? Well, I have to do some, oh, excuse my voice. I have to do some DIY in I do three of them. I already have some footage of one of them. I'm gonna put it when I present the item, but I'm gonna do two them, and you will see it. Okay, well, let's start. And the first thing that I have for you is this picture frame. I will incorporate here. Let me show you. I'm so sorry. This is from Bargain Hunters, and I will introduce in the frame one of these photos that I bought in Paris in the Opera Hall, and I think I will do this one over here, and you can see it, and let's do it. It's done. This cost me 99 cents, and here in my bedroom I placed the picture frame. You can see it. The other thing that I have for you is this milk creamer from Homer Lockley, and you can see it cost me 99 cents. The other thing that I bought over there is this other milk creamer, and only cost me 49 cents. Don't have any description, nothing. I'm gonna put some kind of examples of others. The other thing that I bought in Bargain Hunters is these cups, no saucers, that are made in England. I don't know if you can see it. I'm so sorry for the light that I have right now. My light is, I don't know what is happening. That can be, I can use it. But yeah, I have another one of those, but with different pattern. I will show you. And I bought two of them, and the price for these cups are two for $2, but right now I'm seeing it another price. 29 cents. I don't know. 2 for 2, right? Let me see. This other one says 2 for 2, but say 29 cents too. Well, I don't remember how much in the little statement said. Okay, the other thing that I bought there in Bargain Hunters are these. They're so beautiful, guys. Look at them. They are made in Taiwan. 49 cents, in pristine condition. You can see the sticker over there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, they're made in Taiwan. And the thing that I will do, I want this size. Okay, guys, I did it, and you can see they are more smaller, and I use my stick gum, because they were, side by side. I can place them over here. What do you think, guys? Here or there? Cost me $2. Don't have any, brand, anything. But I have some looks like this one. Okay, I will put it in a side. Okay, yeah, it's a little bit heavy. Maybe it's an ironstone. You can see it. I like it. Okay, let's continue with the community thrift store for the next pieces. And one of the pieces is already placed on in a table lamp. I will show you and cost me $1.99. Let's go. Here it is. This looks beautiful. Look at it. They are, guys. These tassels o fácilmente aquí. 1.99, and it's the perfect color, guys. What do you think? The next thing that I have for you from the community thrift store is this trinket pedestal. Is from Japan, and you can see it over here if she wants to focus, but right there. This supposed to have a lid, but at that time that I bought it, they don't have it, and cost me $1.99. This cost me $2.99, and is from Fenton, and you can see it over here. The back side is so pretty. Here, place the little dish. The other thing that I have to show you from the thrift store is this. I don't know why I bought it, but yes, this cost $1.99. Some of the pieces were broken of, I don't know, over here, this one over here, and here, and I have a little video. And now I have to repair it again because I don't know what happened. Look at it. It's over here. It's broken over there. I don't know what happened there. It is what it is, right? Okay, let's continue. The other thing that I have to show you is this dome, and cost me $1.99, and I'm gonna place it in the living room. And here I place the dome, and you can see with the crystal bird and the tassel. And the last two things, some plates that are hand painted and cost me $1.99 each. You can see it, but this is by someone who did it. You can see it, Dora Rice, and they're painting by hand, and they have the date over here. You can see it, 1983. And this is some roses. And this is more peachy color. There was another plate, but it was like a yellowish one, and for me it doesn't look good. Yeah, I take these two only, but look at it, it's so pretty. I'm so sorry I have to record this haul like this. Sending you blessings. Take care. A lot of kisses. Enjoy the weekend. See you next week. And remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I forgot. Aviento.